Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mujahid from Naveed game. Today we have DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. That's the latest drone. DJI Air 2S is now available at Naveed Games Peshawar. That's the back of it. Air 2S Fly More Combo. In combo set we have 2 extra batteries, charging kit, propellers, carrying bag. That's the drone. If you want to buy, do visit Naveed Games. Location जो है वो नीचे description में mention है. WhatsApp number, shop address. हमारी delivery भी available है all over Pakistan. Okay, let's unbox Air 2S with full detail of its feature. Okay, accessories box. That's the controller. The drone itself. Let's talk about the feature. If we talk about the video quality, it gives you in 5.4K at 30 fps, in 4K at 60 fps, and 1080p at 120 fps. Sensor, 1-inch sensor. It has obstacle sensing in 4 direction. Range 12 km max video transmission. Battery time 31 minutes. That was the video of unboxing Mavic Air 2S. Thank you. Take care. Allah.